Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to IBPS Specialist Officer Exam form filling video. So in this video, I will show you the complete procedure that how you can fill your form to avoid rejection in document verification. So that's why this video is very much important for you. Okay, so properly watch all the video, and if you have any query, any doubt, then comment down below. I will quickly reply to your comments and then you can fill the form. Okay. Form last date is 23rd of November. Today only is started, so no need to worry. Today is the first date only. Okay. So before going to form filling, let's check what are documents required for the form filling process. So first is your SSC 12 diploma, bachelor, masters, mark sheet or certificate is required, Aadhaar card, then birth certificate. Okay. If you are from EWS, OBC, SC, then caste certificate. Then photo, which should be recent photo only. Okay. Not older than 3 weeks. Then signature, you need to sign on a white paper with the help of black ink pen only. Then left hand impression is required. Okay, and then the declaration is required, which declaration is given by IBPS like this. Okay, so like this you need to write on a paper, white paper, with your own handwriting. Okay, so whatever your name is, you can write here. Hereby declare that all the information submitted by me in the application form is correct, true and valid. I will present the supporting documents as and when required. Just you need to write this, and then you need to click the image, and we will upload to the portal. Okay, so now let's go to the portal. Okay, so when you will click on the link which I am giving you in the description, okay, this page will get open. Then you need to click here for new registration button. Then here we have basic information. First you need to fill first name, confirm first name, okay, which is mandatory. Then middle name, last name, like this. Okay, like this. Just make sure that spelling of your name, first name, middle name and surname should be correct. Okay, it should be matched with your photo ID, that is your Aadhaar card. Then you need to enter your mobile number. Okay, just confirm that mobile number. If you have alternate, then you need to put here alternate mobile number, then your email ID. Okay, again confirm that email ID. Then just copy paste this security code and then click on save next. Again you need to check your spelling of name. Okay, because many candidates do mistake here in their own spelling, that's why. So again recheck and then click on next button. Now here we need to upload your photograph, your signature. Okay, so let's upload your photograph. So you will upload it and you will click on next button. Then next is your qualification details. So before that we need to select the post. So for which SO post you need to apply. So IT officer, agriculture, Rajya Sabha Adhikari, law officer. Okay, like that you need to select. So I will select IT officer, that is post number 1. Category you need to select general. Okay, just make sure that this category you can't change throughout the process. So once selected, okay, you can't change it. So that's why select properly. Just select OBC. Those who are from OBC, if you are from SC/ST, then you can select like this. Okay, so I will go with general. Then if you are from PWD candidates, then you need to select yes. Okay, so type of disability you need to select here, and then subtype of disability you need to select like this. If you are not PWD candidate, then you simply click on no. So this all the fields are disabled. Okay, then are you as per PWD guideline to use compensated time? So if you are from PWD, you will click on yes, otherwise no. Okay, so these guidelines are basically for PWD candidates, so you can read that till here. Okay, then are you a child or family member of those who died in 1984 rights? If yes, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. Okay, then which you belong to, religious minority community. So if you are from minority community, click yes, otherwise no. Then religion you need to select here. Okay, whatever your religion you need to select. If you are from ex-serviceman, then click on yes. If you click on yes, then all these below fields are activated. If you click on no, simply all are disabled. Okay, then you are government employee or not, so you need to select if you are already working in government. If no, then no. Okay, have you appear earlier? So if you appear this exam, SO exam last year, so you need to click on yes button. Okay, and then you need to select all these things. Means how many attempt you earlier. Okay, if there are 3 attempt, then click on 3, 4 attempt, first attempt, second attempt. Okay, if this is your first exam, then simply click on no button. Then again here click on Indian. Then you need to select your state. Okay, and then center of prelim examination. Now see, for Madhya Pradesh, basically there are 6 centers: Bhopal, Gwalior, Indore, Jabalpur, Sagar, Satna. Okay, like this center you have. So enough centers are there in each state. For Maharashtra, you can see here the number of centers like this. Okay, so enough centers are there, no need problem in that. So just you need to select center for prelim exam. Then again center for main exam is only Bhopal. Okay, so for main exam one center is there. So like this you will select. All this center list is already given in a notification. Okay, so there is no problem. Then you need to confirm that this is your ID. Okay, then ID proof you need to upload. So you can upload whatever you want to do, but still we can upload Aadhaar card. Okay, simple. Then Aadhaar card number here you will upload. So any random Aadhaar card I applied here or I entered here. Okay, then go to date of birth field. You can select the date of birth, that is first. Okay, whatever your date of birth, that is the day, then month and year. Okay, you can see here the age limit. As you know, for general age limit is 30, and for all other categories, okay, it is relaxable. So if you select suppose 1991, then here you will get pop-up. Okay, then 1992 you can apply, but 1991 you can't. So if you are not eligible as per age limit, then definitely here you will stop. Okay, if you are eligible, then you can fill the form, there is no problem. So just select gender, then do you have twin brother sister? If yes, then you need to select yes. Okay, and then you need to fill all the details, that is gender of twin, name of twin, like this. If you don't have, then no. Okay, marital status. So many candidates do mistake here also. Okay, if you are not married, then click simply unmarried. If you are married, then married, and for other also you can select. Now father's name, mother's name. So simply type. Okay, and this should also match with your SSC certificate. Then address you need to type properly, address 1. Okay, and if this address where you are currently living is same as your permanent address, then just click on this box. All the detail will reflect here. Okay, then you will choose the address for GST invoicing. So you can select any address, and amount is reflected here. If you are from general EWS, then 850 rupees, and if you are from OBC, SC, ST, PWD, then 175 rupees. Like this amount is there. Already I show you in the notification video. Just click on save and next button. Okay, in father's name and mother's name, just put full name, okay, of father and mother, and then click on save and next. The next is details of education qualification. So if you are a graduate, then definitely you need to click yes. Okay, this form is only for graduate, so that's why. So click on yes, and now you will select in which field you complete your graduation. Okay, so you will select like this. Then duration of course in year, and then date of passing, percentage of marks. Okay, this should be aggregate. So you need to calculate aggregate marks of all the semesters, and then you need to multiply or divide by the total marks, and then you will get the aggregate marks. Okay, so you need to put here, and class. Then if you are postgraduate degree or diploma, then you can also select. Otherwise it is not mandatory, okay, to select. Then here work experience. If you have work experience, then you can put here. Obviously it is not mandatory. Okay, work experience is not mandatory, but still you can put here. And now the language known, type all the languages, any 3 language you can type here which you know. Okay, and then select whether you can read, write or speak, and then click on save and next button. Okay, now on the next page you need to give preferences. So definitely it is your choice which bank you like or which bank you aspire for. Okay, you can select the number of banks or order of banks based on vacancies also, but I will not suggest you to go with vacancy. Just research some internet, and then according to your interest you can select the banks. Okay, so just select the order. So this is your preference of order. So your IBPS SO scorecard, okay, will given to Bank of India first. If you are rejected, then Bank of Baroda. Like this process will go on. Okay, then click on save and next button. The next button is your preview button. Okay, so just make sure all the things are there in the below photograph. Just click on I confirm, then just check all the details again before submission of final form, your preferences, okay, everything. Then you can sign the declaration, tick the declaration, also confirm the signature, and then click on complete your registration. Okay, so out of this two only you need to select anyone. Okay, so if your name is confirmed, then just click on here. Don't click this. If there is change in name, that is your full name. If you are a girl and you are married, then definitely there is change. Okay, so just click on here and don't click here. So anyone you can change, and then you can submit on complete registration. Okay, then last step is you to upload your left hand impression, then your handwritten declaration, whatever declaration I show you in the start. Okay, just click the picture and you can upload here, and then last stage is payment. So like this, you have to fill all the form properly. If you have any query, any doubt, then you can just comment down below. I will definitely quickly reply to you guys. Okay, fill the form properly, and I will meet you in the strategy video. So in that we will discuss how you can prepare and crack this exam very well. Okay.